What is up, everybody? Today it is youth turkey season. You're going to see me and my father out and killing a tom on some Ohio woods. So enjoy. Everybody, we're set up out in the turkey woods. Got the camera guy back there. The decoys out front here. We got two toms, one over this way, one behind us. We're setting up on that tom. He sounds better. But yeah, we'll get you when I get some action. Okay, I don't have it on film. Dad does. We just gotta tom down, baby. Grab him by the head. Go. That doesn't happen any better than that. Oh my gosh. It's on me. It's on you. Oh my gosh, guys. That was such a good hunt. I gotta make some calls to some friends, but we're gonna take some pictures with them.
Good hunt, buddy. Good hunt.
Good hunt. Well, we missed this morning. Came out here, 30 minutes ago. Got set up. I heard birds, set up, called to them, and then 10 minutes later they come walking up here, and we got a tom on the ground. It couldn't have worked out better. And God blessed me with this tom, and he's pretty bird. Right before the outro, I want to give a shout out to Landon. He actually ended up killing his tom 45 to an hour after I killed my tom. So big congratulations to him. I'll throw some pictures of his bird in here after I film this. He had 4 beards and really nice hooks. If you're wondering what that noise is, it is my pet raccoon. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I personally love turkey hunting greatly, and I enjoyed doing it with my dad. I got to go out there and sit with my dad. My dad got to film me. I got to share the moment with my dad just like I did my first turkey. Great tom. I'm so blessed to be able to do this and share it with you guys, and I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys watching, but thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.